Hey there! Welcome back to the channel where we bring you tips, tricks, and strategies to grow your online presence effectively. If you're looking to build a vibrant and active community on Telegram, you've probably wondered, is buying subscribers a smart move? Or more importantly, how can I do it safely and get real results? In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about buying Telegram subscribers the right way. I'll show you step by step how to choose the best services and make sure your investment actually boosts your channel's growth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your channel to the next level, this video is packed with actionable insights you can't afford to miss. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First, open your browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, or any other, and type nizop.com in the search bar. Hit enter and the website will load. Now, this is the homepage of Nizop. It's a very user-friendly platform. Right at the top, you'll see a menu bar with options like Home, Services, Sign In, and Sign Up. On Services section. You'll see a drop-down menu with all the services that Nizop offers. This includes social media growth services like Instagram followers, YouTube subscribers, TikTok views, and of course, Telegram members. All right, now that we've seen what Nizop has to offer, it's time to create an account and start using the platform. To place an order, you first need to create an account. This is super simple and takes less than a minute. On the homepage, click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. This will take you to the registration page. Here, you'll need to fill out a few basic details. Enter your email address. Create a strong password, make sure it's something you can remember. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Once you've filled in all the details, click on Sign Up. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Nizop dashboard, which is the central hub for everything you'll do on this platform. Now that we're logged in, let's take a quick tour of the dashboard. This is where you'll manage your new order, mass order, services order, and ad fund. Alright, now comes the exciting part. Placing an order for 1,000 Telegram members, scroll down and here in category section, choose your service like I am choosing Telegram members Real Guaranteed. This service ensures that the members you receive are non-drop, meaning they'll stay in your group. Link in this field, you need to paste the link to your Telegram group. Here's my Telegram group, and as you can see, it currently has just one member. I'll copy the group link, go back to Nizop, and paste the link here. Quantity. This is where you specify how many members you want to add. I'll type 1,000 here. Once everything is filled out, double-check the details to make sure there are no mistakes. Then click on Purchase Now. That's it, your order has been placed successfully. After placing order, it's important to track its status. Go to the order section in your dashboard. If it says pending, it means the order is being processed. If it says in progress, it means the members are being added to your group. And once it's done, the status will change to completed. Before we move on, let me quickly show you how to add funds to your Nizop account. This is an essential step because you need funds to place any order. Go to the Add Funds section in your dashboard. Here you'll see multiple payment options, such as credit debit cards, cryptocurrency, bank transfers, and more. Choose the payment method that works best for you. Then enter amount and click on Pay. Oh, wow, look at that. I just got a notification. Someone has joined the group. And here comes another one. It's happening in real time, guys. The count is going up so fast. His is unbelievable. I mean, this is like magic. Notifications keep popping up, and the group is growing right in front of our eyes. And here we are, 1,048 members. Wow, they even added some bonus members. Look at this. Some of the members are already online and active in my group. This proves these aren't fake accounts or bots. These are real people. I'm honestly amazed at how fast and reliable this service is. If you want to grow your any social account like this, I highly recommend using nizop.com. It's affordable, effective, and incredibly exciting to watch the results live. Lastly, let me show you how to get help if you ever face any issues. Nizop has a dedicated support section where you can reach out to their team. Click on Support in the dashboard, and you'll see options to submit a ticket or chat with a representative. Whether it's a payment issue, an order delay, or just a question, their team is super responsive and helpful. And that's how I bought 1,000 Telegram members for just $2 using nizop.com. The process is easy, quick, and affordable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.